What's up, guys? Today we're making salmon salad, Oriental style. So what we gonna need? Couple ingredients. First off, you need some salmon, raw salmon soaked in lemon juice. You're gonna need some habanero Thai chili peppers. If you ain't hot, just drop them. Cilantro. You got kalanka leaves. They look just like this joker. It's basically like a citrus fruit. And then you got some mint. Mint, pretty common. And then of course you got lemon, limes, whatever. And then you got lemongrass. Lemongrass are fun. We already chopped up the lemongrass, as you guys can see right here. And then you got white kalanka. It's like, you can explain it almost like a ginger root, but it's not really ginger. And it's more like a radish as well. And then you got shallots and then scallions. All we're gonna do is mix all this junk together and get it. We gotta drain the salmon. So what do? You literally take this junk, you squeeze it. It's gonna be like a milky paste. You gotta get rid of that lemon juice. It's okay to have a little bit of lemon. The lemon's good, it just adds extra flavor. You drop that junk in, let's get it done. Clump smaller, you can go ahead and chop up the salmon if you want. That's entirely up to you what you wanna do. You can leave them big, you can leave them small. We're gonna chop them up just a tad, just to get them nice and clumpy. All right, guys, we're gonna do this in under 3 minutes. So now we're gonna mix all these ingredients, like literally. We're gonna use all these scallions. We're gonna use all the white kalanka, all the lemongrass, and all these shallots. I love shallots, dude. Shallots are fire sauce. If you guys don't know what lemongrass is, it's this joker. You literally slice it nice and thin, and it's boom, done. We're gonna throw in the cilantro. And yeah, we're gonna throw in all that heat, dude. You guys can't take that heat. Well, you guys need to get out of the kitchen. Mix all this junk together. Boom, done, baby. And yeah, we'll throw in the rest of this leaf too. It's okay. I love these leaves. Yeah. I like leaves. All right, now you're gonna mix the junk up and that's it, man. You can season it to taste. You can use salt, pepper. We're gonna be running out of time shortly. We use big pepper just so we don't forget it. Just so it's there. Give it enough pepper. And salt to taste. I don't even know what it tastes like, but I'm just gonna throw it in there because I like salt. And I'm gonna make sure it tastes good. And we're gonna take a lime. We're gonna slice this up. Be like, what the snap? Ooh, yeah, baby. And we're gonna squeeze this together and boom, we done.